Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how you can resolve some Cash App payment failures. Now don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now one of the reasons as to why you may have some payment failures is that you just don't have enough cash balance right here. So just go ahead and make sure that you have enough cash balance before making any transactions so that you can go ahead and fix any payment failures right here. Now this would mean that there might be some issue with your payment method, so just go ahead and use a different payment method. So this can be using a different card or even using a different bank. So just go ahead and take a look at your bank if there are withholding or not being able to transfer any cash balance into Cash App to make any Cash App payments. And finally, one last thing that may cause issue in terms of your Cash App payments having failures is that it is an issue with the recipient that you're sending to. Sometimes Cash App would detect if an account that you are sending to is a spam account or not. So say for example, if you're sending something of a large amount and then you're sending this over to someone, then Cash App will go ahead and identify if this is a fraud or this is for prevention of any scam that you are sending this to. So what you need to do is that if Cash App is withdrawing or withholding you being able to pay, is to go ahead and click on the top right here, and then just go ahead and click on support. And then what we're going to do is to go ahead and just contact the support team by clicking on the chat right here, telling them that you want to go ahead and proceed with sending this over. It is secure, so just go ahead and communicate with them. And there you go. So these are some solutions to be able to resolve Cash App payment failures. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.